Hey, good morning. We're here at booth 1651 with Ron Daniels of Daniels Woodland, and they do some fantastic theming, and I don't think this video, Ron's actually going to do justice to the kind of stuff you've got here at the show. It's really quite spectacular.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about your company and what you guys do and what you specialize in.
You bet. Well, we're first and foremost a full-service theming company. We build tree houses and themed environments and shooting galleries and props. We do carvings. We work with all different kinds of materials, from wood to fiberglass to foam to steel. So we have a really big diversity in our company. We're one of the few full-service companies that have that form of diversity, and that's what we do.
Yeah, very cool. And most of our audience are FEC and smaller attraction owners and new developers and stuff. So when it comes to an FEC that might have some space, or a new developer who's looking for some cool attractions, I know the shooting gallery behind us here, there's a number of different sort of people that do that at the show. Tell me what's special about this product and why it might be a good choice for somebody.
Well, our shooting galleries do a good job of bringing the whole concept of a shooting gallery into the 21st century. We've integrated a lot of tried and true concepts from the amusement world into our system to make them a lot more interactive. Our shooting galleries are like a interactive Country Bear Jamboree, and some of the specifics that make it that way is that more than a shooting gallery control system, we've built a full feature animatronic control system, and so the target responses when you hit a target, they're much more elaborate. They have multiple actuators. It allows us to do things like this fox fella in there. He's got 5 different actuators. His head turns and his mouth moves and his arms move and so forth. So that allows us to have him crack jokes and tease players. The fox might say, "Well, I'd come over there and show you how to shoot, but my rear end's bolted to the chair here."
Bullets. I'd come over there and show you how to shoot, but my rear end's bolted to this chair here. You sure shoot a heck of a lot better than you look.
Oh, gee.
Okay, now this time shoot with your eyes open.
So it allows the characters to really interactive and entertain the guests.
Yeah.
And at that level of entertainment, it allows the players to perceive a higher value for the play, allows us to charge more money and get more plays per player. Right. At the end of the day, it's about return on investment.
Yeah, for sure. And speaking of that, I was talking with Andy, one of your guys here a few minutes ago, and he'd mentioned that you've got different types of 2 and 3 kind of plays.
Yeah, the 2 features that's very unique to our system that allows it to generate more revenue than any other system can are the 2 ways to play and the bonus pricing structure.
Right.
And what I mean by that, as an example, and all these parameters are changeable, but you can get 18 shots with plenty of time, or you can have 1 minute with unlimited shots. So the player gets to choose between those 2 ways to play. Mm-hmm. Again, it sets the stage for the player to play multiple times. To augment that, we have a bonus pricing structure. Again, as an example, we can get 1 game for $2 or 3 games for $5. And so it complements the 2 ways to play. People see the 2 things and go, well, I'm going to play it more than once anyhow. Yeah. So they go for the $5 bill. And we have noticed that in many locations, we pull more $5 bills out of the system than $1 bills.
Right on. So when you say you pull more money out of there too, would this by chance be a revenue share? Do you do that kind of work with different people, or is this buy and we set it up for you?
Right now it's buy and we set it up for you. So maybe a revenue share program is in the future, but it's not there right now.
And I see that, do you do tickets on this at all, redemption as well, or no?
Absolutely. Our systems do anything else than any of the others can. It can do ticket redemption. One of the unique options that we offer that no one else does is actually a self-redeeming feature where it will dispense its own capsule prizes. And that's just an option that we offer with our system.
Very cool. So, well, that's cool stuff, Ron. And so again, it's Ron Daniels here with Daniels Woodland, and you've really got to stop by their website and check out some of the work there. And your site is?
It's danielswoodland.com.
Right. Very cool stuff. Trees, the playhouse trees are just, I've never seen anything like that. I know, I keep going on, but I was really impressed when I first stopped by the site and thought, man, these tree houses are what so many of my customers are looking for. So neat stuff, and nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
Cool. All right.